What's up guys, and here we have the official camera samples of the Samsung Galaxy S20. Yeah guys, we are now just a day away from the Galaxy S20's launch, but that doesn't mean the leaks need to stop, right? The latest is among the most interesting yet. Camera samples, specifically from the Galaxy S20 put next to the Galaxy S10 and even two from the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 108 megapixel main camera. The images, courtesy of XDA developer Max Van Batch on Twitter, are of an extreme night mode comparison between the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy S20, captured in what looks like a backyard way after dark. The Galaxy S20 captures much better exposed image with an improved level of detail. Just look at the grass and the far-off houses. The Galaxy S20 also improved level of details, also seems to be applying some de-yellowing. The houses are all white, like the Google Pixels. The other side-by-side comparison is of an indoor shoots and is quite suspect. For one, according to the Max instructions, the first shoot is from the Galaxy S10 and is notably better. The other is somewhat underexposed and has super aggressive noise reduction applied to the point that there's almost no fine detail. The best shoot could be down to pre-release software. The final two images are shot with the Galaxy S20 Plus. The first is with the phone's main camera and the second is 30x hybrid zoom, which is either from the same main camera or from the telephoto. The first image is impressive. The intricate details like the front on the Sega Genesis box are very well defined. There's some noise in the image, but that's normal for an indoor snap. We'll do our own test of the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra's camera when the phones arrive, so stay tuned. There's not long left now. Samsung Galaxy S20 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, €899 to €909. Samsung Galaxy S20 5G with 12GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, €999 to €1,009. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, €999 to €1,009. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G with 12GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, €1,099 to €1,109. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G with 12GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, €1,349 to €1,359. And the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage with €1,549 to €1,559. Do note that this information doesn't come directly from the Samsung, so it's best to wait for the Feb 11 event where we will learn everything about the Galaxy S20 trials, specifications, pricing and the availability. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.